Have you ever wondered if there's a way to maintain a fulfilling and confident intimate life, even as you grow older? In this video, we're diving into a powerful solution that could transform your quality of life after 50. We'll be discussing tadalafil, what it is, how it works, and how it might just be the key to bringing back spontaneity and confidence to your relationships. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only the benefits but also the precautions, how to use it safely, and the inspiring real-life impact it has had on others just like you. Stick around to learn everything you need to know for a happier, healthier, intimate life. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and activate the notification bell to avoid missing any videos. Your support means a lot to me, and if you enjoyed this video, you can help me continue spreading the valuable lessons by liking and sharing it. Understanding tadalafil goes beyond simply seeing it as a medication. It's important to recognize that tadalafil isn't something that instantly sparks desire or acts as a stimulant in the way people might imagine. Instead, it's a supportive and discreet tool that works in sync with a person's natural ability to respond to intimacy, once the feelings of connection and desire are already present. Think of it as a gentle enhancer, quietly helping to make those cherished moments of closeness smoother, more comfortable, and ultimately more fulfilling. Tadalafil operates by allowing the blood vessels to relax, easing blood flow to the areas of the body that benefit from it most in these intimate moments. For many, this simple function translates into a renewed experience of connection, reassurance, and satisfaction. One of the truly remarkable qualities that sets tadalafil apart from other medications in its category is its impressive duration. Unlike other options, tadalafil can be effective for up to a full 36 hours. This extended period of effectiveness has earned it the affectionate nickname, the weekend pill. Imagine being able to live with the freedom and peace of mind that comes from knowing you don't have to rush or worry about timing your dose precisely before an intimate moment. There's no need to feel pressured by the clock or by a set schedule. This characteristic of tadalafil allows for a far greater sense of spontaneity and authenticity, whether you're at home, on a romantic getaway, or simply living life. Knowing you're prepared, regardless of timing, removes so much of the stress and anxiety that can sometimes surround intimate moments. It's about giving couples a chance to reconnect without interruption, planning, or preoccupations. Tadalafil also offers flexibility in how it's taken, giving people options that can suit their lifestyles and preferences. There are two main methods: a low daily dose or an occasional dose taken as needed when intimacy is anticipated. The daily dose, as its name suggests, is a smaller, consistent amount taken each day, designed to allow for continuous readiness. This approach is ideal for those who want to remove any element of planning or timing from their intimate life, allowing closeness to happen as naturally as possible, whenever the moment feels right. On the other hand, the occasional dose is a bit higher and taken only when a person anticipates an intimate encounter. This option allows people to take tadalafil when they feel it's needed, offering support without daily commitment, which some may find suits their needs and lifestyle better. However, the benefits of tadalafil extend far beyond the physical. For many men, this medication isn't just about improving physical performance. It's about reclaiming confidence, self-esteem, and perhaps most importantly, the sense of connection with their partners that may have felt elusive before. Physical intimacy is deeply tied to our sense of self-worth, to the feeling of being desired and capable, and to the belief that we can give and receive love in its fullest, most vulnerable form. When challenges arise in this area, it's common to feel frustration, embarrassment, or even shame. Tadalafil can help ease these feelings, allowing men to feel in control of their bodies again, to feel more secure and less anxious about intimacy. Many users have shared that, with tadalafil, they feel more emotionally in tune with their partners, more connected, and less hindered by physical concerns. For those who have faced difficulties in this area, tadalafil can feel like a lifeline, a bridge back to closeness, not only physically but also emotionally. It's a way to rediscover intimacy without the constant worry of physical limitations overshadowing the moment. For many, tadalafil is much more than just a pill. It's a tool that supports the rebuilding of bonds, the strengthening of trust, and the rekindling of passion that may have dimmed over time. By restoring this capacity for closeness, tadalafil contributes to the overall quality of relationships, allowing both partners to feel valued, seen, and connected on a deeper level. It allows couples to feel young again, to reclaim spontaneity, to laugh, to share, and to enjoy each other without any sense of reservation or unease. In essence, tadalafil offers more than just a physical solution. It's a way to renew and deepen the joy of a shared life, of emotional and physical closeness, and of the shared experiences that form the foundation of every meaningful relationship. For many, it's about restoring the natural rhythm of love and connection, bringing partners closer in ways that go beyond the physical. It's a reminder that intimacy isn't just about the body, but about the heart, the mind, and the spirit, all working together in harmony. While tadalafil is highly effective and is generally well tolerated by most who take it, it's essential to remember that, like all medications, it can sometimes have side effects. Most of these side effects are mild and temporary, allowing many people to continue benefiting from tadalafil without too much disruption. Common side effects include mild headaches, stomach discomfort, nasal congestion, and muscle aches. These sensations, while generally manageable, can feel unpleasant at times, and it's perfectly natural to feel concerned if you experience any of them. Fortunately, these effects tend to fade on their own relatively quickly, often within a few hours, leaving you free to continue enjoying the benefits of tadalafil without lasting discomfort. However, it's still a good idea to be mindful of how your body feels when starting a new medication. Even minor symptoms can provide important clues, and staying alert can give you peace of mind, knowing you're attuned to any changes, however slight. In extremely rare cases, tadalafil can lead to more severe side effects, such as sudden loss of vision or hearing. These occurrences are very uncommon, but they are serious enough that if you notice any sudden changes in your sight or hearing, you should stop taking the medication immediately. Promptly consulting a healthcare professional is essential to ensure that any risks are managed with the appropriate care. This proactive approach not only ensures your physical safety, but also provides emotional reassurance that you're doing everything possible to protect your well-being. Understanding these potential effects doesn't have to create worry. Instead, it empowers you with the knowledge to take tadalafil responsibly and confidently. If you're still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. One of the most important safety considerations when taking tadalafil is its potential interaction with nitrate-based medications. Nitrates, which are commonly prescribed for heart conditions, help to dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. When combined with tadalafil, however, this effect can be amplified to a dangerous degree, causing a significant drop in blood pressure. This sudden decrease in blood pressure can lead to dizziness, fainting, or even more severe consequences. For those who are managing heart-related issues, this is a critical point to consider. It is always best to have a conversation with your doctor before starting tadalafil, especially if you're on nitrates or any other heart-related medications. In some cases, doctors may suggest alternative treatments or closely monitor your progress, helping you find solutions that don't put your health at risk. Additionally, it's generally advised that people with severe heart conditions, those who have recently had a heart attack, or those who have suffered a stroke avoid tadalafil. This recommendation is grounded in caution, as these individuals may be at a higher risk of complications from changes in blood flow and blood pressure that tadalafil can induce. Knowing these precautions isn't just about safety. It's about feeling reassured and confident in your decision to take or not take this medication based on your unique health background. It's about having the peace of mind that comes from making a well-informed choice, one that prioritizes your health and future well-being. When used with care and under proper guidance, tadalafil has the potential to transform the quality of life for many people. But this journey to improved intimacy and connection should always come hand in hand with a commitment to personal health and safety. A thoughtful, well-informed approach ensures that tadalafil remains a tool of enhancement rather than a source of concern. Every precaution, from understanding minor side effects to knowing the rare but serious warnings, plays a part in building confidence in the medication's use. By staying informed and in communication with your healthcare provider, you're not just taking a medication. You're making a proactive choice to protect your well-being. Embrace the potential benefits responsibly and ensure that your experience is both safe and fulfilling. In the end, tadalafil offers a promising path to enhancing intimacy, restoring confidence, and reconnecting with oneself and a partner in a way that feels both natural and satisfying. By respecting the safety guidelines and being mindful of any symptoms, you are taking steps that make tadalafil not just a physical aid, but a holistic tool to improve your life in a balanced, thoughtful way. For anyone considering tadalafil, my strongest recommendation is to begin with the lowest dose available and always follow your doctor's instructions for adjustments. Starting low is not just about safety. It's about understanding how your body responds and giving it a chance to adapt gradually. Each individual's health journey is unique, and by starting with a modest dose, you allow your body to ease into the medication without unnecessary strain. While it may be tempting to increase the dosage for faster results, making such decisions independently can be risky. Only your healthcare provider can safely guide dosage changes, taking into account your personal health history and any specific needs. Remember, tadalafil is most effective as part of a well-rounded approach to sexual health, one that encompasses honest communication with your partner and a focus on maintaining a balanced, fulfilling emotional life. It's also essential to understand that tadalafil is not suitable for everyone. For some individuals, especially those with significant health conditions, the risks may outweigh the benefits. For example, people with severe heart problems, those who have recently experienced a heart attack or stroke, or those with unstable blood pressure, whether too high or too low, should avoid tadalafil. These conditions can amplify the effects of the medication in ways that may be harmful. Additionally, if you have severe liver or kidney issues, this medication requires special consideration. Consulting your doctor is more than just a precaution. It's a way to make sure you're protecting your health in the long run. Your doctor will assess your condition thoroughly, helping you make an informed decision that keeps your well-being front and center. Ultimately, the goal is to approach tadalafil as a supportive part of your journey toward improved well-being and connection. Think of it not just as a medication, but as a tool that can work alongside a lifestyle that promotes openness, understanding, and genuine care for yourself and your partner. Ensuring that tadalafil is right for you is about more than the physical effects. It's about creating a foundation for a healthier, more confident, and more fulfilling life. Tadalafil is a medication available at pharmacies, but it is not something to be taken lightly or without careful consideration. It requires a prescription, which emphasizes the importance of consulting with a healthcare professional before beginning treatment. A prescription is more than a formality. It's a safeguard that allows a doctor to evaluate your health, understand your unique circumstances, and determine the safest and most effective dose. This process not only ensures that tadalafil will benefit you, but also provides reassurance that any potential risks are carefully managed. Each person's health profile is unique, and a healthcare provider is there to tailor this treatment specifically to your needs, ensuring that tadalafil fits seamlessly into your lifestyle and health journey. There are also generic versions of tadalafil, which are often more affordable. For many, this option can make a big difference, making the medication accessible and feasible to integrate into one's routine. However, even with the availability of these generics, it's crucial to remember that tadalafil should always be obtained under the supervision of a doctor. A healthcare professional's role doesn't stop at prescribing the medication. They also play a vital part in monitoring how your body responds, making necessary adjustments, and ensuring that the treatment continues to be both safe and beneficial. It's a relationship of trust and communication that helps you use tadalafil in a way that is secure, effective, and aligned with your overall health goals. Allow me to share a real-life example that illustrates the powerful impact tadalafil can have when used thoughtfully and under medical supervision. One of my patients, Mario, a 60-year-old man, came to my office with a heavy heart, feeling that he had lost something precious in his life. He felt that spontaneity and joy in his intimate life had slowly slipped away. After undergoing heart surgery, he noticed that things simply weren't the same, and this shift deeply affected not only his physical experience, but also his relationship with his wife. Mario was a warm, loving individual, and I could see how much he longed to reconnect with his partner on a deeper level. Yet he felt held back by his body and his health. His self-confidence had taken a significant hit, and the natural flow of his relationship felt disrupted. After discussing his concerns, reviewing his medical history, and carefully considering his needs, we decided to try a low daily dose of tadalafil. This decision wasn't made lightly. It was a choice we made together after a thorough conversation about his lifestyle, his goals, and his health history. We started with the lowest dose to allow his body to adapt gently, and I made sure he understood that this wasn't an instant fix but a gradual journey. Over several weeks, Mario noticed subtle yet profound changes. He began to feel more comfortable and confident, not just physically, but also emotionally. The medication offered him a level of readiness that allowed him to approach intimacy without the anxiety of timing or planning. This low-dose regimen became an unobtrusive part of his daily routine, restoring a sense of normalcy and freedom that he had missed. As the weeks went by, Mario returned to my office with a smile I hadn't seen before. He shared that his relationship with his wife had improved dramatically, not just because of the physical benefits of the medication, but because of the emotional transformation that came with it. He told me that he felt liberated from the constraints and pressures that had previously clouded his intimate life. Tadalafil allowed him to embrace his natural rhythms, connecting with his partner in a way that felt genuine, unforced, and deeply fulfilling. No longer did he feel the weight of anticipation or the fear of performance. Instead, he felt a renewed closeness with his wife, a rekindled joy, and a confidence that went beyond just the physical aspect of intimacy. Mario's experience illustrates how tadalafil, when approached thoughtfully, can be more than just a medication. It can be a path back to the freedom and joy of intimacy. For him, this treatment was about reclaiming a sense of spontaneity, a feeling of ease, and a closeness with his partner that went beyond the physical. It was about restoring his confidence and allowing him to feel like himself again. He was able to live each day without worrying about specific moments, knowing that his body would support him when the time felt right. This newfound sense of assurance had a ripple effect on his entire relationship, allowing him and his wife to share laughter, affection, and genuine connection in a way that felt natural and deeply meaningful. This story is a powerful reminder of the holistic impact that tadalafil can have on one's life. It underscores the importance of a balanced, well-rounded approach that includes open communication, not only with healthcare providers, but also with loved ones. It's a reminder that tadalafil can do more than address physical needs. It can rebuild bridges, strengthen relationships, and bring a sense of wholeness back into one's life. Mario's journey shows that this medication, under the right conditions and guidance, can be a catalyst for healing, reconnection, and a renewed sense of self. It provides hope and reassurance to those who may feel that intimacy has become a challenge. In the end, tadalafil represents more than a medical solution. It's a way to enhance the quality of life, both individually and in partnership with others. For those considering tadalafil, remember that this journey is about far more than a prescription. It's about taking steps toward a richer, more fulfilling life, one that honors both your health and your relationships. Embracing tadalafil with an open mind and the support of trusted healthcare professionals can open doors to not only physical improvement, but also emotional healing, greater intimacy, and a renewed zest for life. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 2 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Friends, let's remember that tadalafil is a supportive tool designed to enhance the quality of one's intimate life, but it's essential to approach it with responsibility and care, always under a doctor's supervision. This medication, while effective, is not a miracle fix, nor does it address the deeper emotional or relational issues that can sometimes accompany intimacy challenges. Instead, think of tadalafil as one piece of a larger puzzle, a helpful aid in situations where the physical response has become difficult, often due to health changes or age. For many, it offers a way to regain confidence, allowing them to reconnect with their partner and experience closeness without the frustration that physical limitations can bring. When used responsibly, tadalafil can have a meaningful impact, restoring not just the physical aspect of intimacy, but also the sense of self-assurance and connection that may have felt lost. But it's important to recognize that tadalafil works best when combined with open communication, trust, and a willingness to address any underlying emotional factors that may also be influencing your relationship. After all, intimacy is as much about the heart and mind as it is about the body. This medication can support physical readiness, but it's the foundation of understanding and shared vulnerability between partners that truly sustains closeness. For anyone considering tadalafil, remember that its benefits are most profound when viewed as part of a holistic approach to well-being. It can help remove barriers to physical intimacy, allowing partners to reconnect and share moments of joy and spontaneity that are natural and unforced. It's a pathway to restoring the freedom to be close, but it's not a substitute for the depth and care that true connection requires. Use it as a tool to support the intimacy you already share, to help you rediscover confidence, and to bring a renewed sense of ease to your relationship. As we wrap up, I hope this discussion has shed light on the responsible and thoughtful use of tadalafil as a tool to enhance quality of life and intimacy. Remember, it's about more than just a medication. It's part of a balanced approach to well-being that includes open communication, understanding, and genuine connection with those we love. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you've learned today that resonates with you? Maybe it's a new perspective on intimacy, a reminder about the importance of health and responsibility, or perhaps a tip you'll bring into your own life. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to see how this insight can make a positive impact in your lives. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content on health, relationships, and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.